Tighten those ab muscles, Dad. It's heavy. Hey, guy.
Hey.
What are we doing?
We're putting this in the beehive.
All right. You got Dad's suit, huh? All right. Tilda the dog, thanks for going to have some fun down at the slough, go swimming. But we're not. We're going this way, and you gotta stay. You gotta stay. So I got my makeshift business. I don't even have my coveralls. I probably wouldn't even have long sleeves on. But it's been raining all day. It's cold. Devin's got the protective gear. He's excited to check it out.
I'm almost more excited than you are.
I think you might be. This is your first time. Yeah.
So, we're here. We're at the bees.
You want to tell the audience what we're up to today?
You see that bottom hive? We're going to make that on the top.
Yeah.
And we're going to put this in.
Okay, where does that go? On the bottom or the middle or the top?
I think it goes right in there.
You are correct. Oh, the very first thing we got to do is tell the bees how nice they are. You're doing a great job, ladies. We're going to fix up your house a little bit. Make it even better than it was before. Holy smokes, yeah, they're busy coming and going. It's amazing how fast they glue this down. I can hardly believe it. And they glue it down good. Look at all the bees in there. Yeah. But yeah, this is why we're doing it. You see that frame under there? It's stuck to the top. Every single time. And usually the next one is too, and the next one, and the next one. Alright.
This is my first time.
This is Devin's very first time checking this out.
And there's some bees on the top.
Yep, bees on the top board. What do you see in there?
Where's that frame?
This?
No, that frame's missing.
Oh, yep, that's for the feeder where you feed them in the early springtime.
What you doing?
I gotta bust these two
Apart.
Oh, look down and look at how full each frame is with bees.
Well, that one's like all the way full.
There's a lot of bees in there, huh?
Yeah.
But they seem to want to be staying on the top, at least last I checked. So that's why we're going to switch the boxes. Okay, here we go. You might want to... Oh wow, they're moving down though. They actually are. Look at the bottom of the box there. What's this though? Looks like an old clean...
Is that the new one you got?
Yeah, this one was the empty one. So let's go ahead and look in there. We'll pull out the middle, and if it doesn't look, because it looks like the bees are moving down, but we'll check. Oh yeah, see, there's bees on the top of the frames, but they are unoccupied. See, completely ignoring this bottom box. So that's why we're going to switch them around.
They stay at the top.
They like to work their way up, I guess. Oh, you want to get out of there or you'd get squished. I find if you just talk to the bees real nice, tell them what you're doing, and move really slow, they don't get you. Look at that other box over there. That is just awesome. Is that just not awesome?
Yeah, it's just not.
What do you think, buddy?
Pretty cool.
Yeah, pretty cool.
Is that the queen? I see the queen.
The queen? Yeah, you've been training your eyeball on some of those pictures. But if you want to blow a little smoke just at the front of the hive, Devin knows how to do this. Yeah, so you can see the smoke go kind of in their entrance hole. Okay. There we go. That was a good one. I think that's about all we need. Maybe even just a little puff in the air to settle some of these guys down. Okay. You don't want to do too much because it generally just go and start eating honey. So now, I want to knock this bottom box off and just do a little switch out change out. Oh, my stupid back hurting. Hi ladies, I'm just gonna switch out your boxes. I'm gonna sweep out this bottom board too. It looks like it's full of filth. Okay, bottom board. It's clean.
One on this side.
This one goes down first?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. Tighten those ab muscles, Dad. It's heavy. I got a bee on my hand. Just left me alone. Cool, huh? See the white, those white curled up things?
Yeah.
Those are the baby bees in there.
Yeah.
Before they cap them off. And then when they start getting just a tiny bit bigger than that, then they put this brown stuff on the top to cap them. So they stay safe. And then the yellow in there is the pollen.
Ooh, that frame smells like honey something furious.
This next one looks like, can you look down in there? That looks like it's completely packed with brood babies.
I want to look at that one. Ooh.
Keep an eye out for a queen. See more white up here? Babies.
And there's a lot of babies in there.
Okay. It would be really fun to look for the queen. I've been wanting to do that for the last 3 weeks, but I don't think we're gonna. We're just gonna let them sit now. If you want to go ahead and put it on nice and slow. Sometimes there's bees on the little lip, like over here. But if you set it down real slow, they'll get out of the way.
Is it good?
Yep. You're doing great. I still see some bees in there. You set it down real slow, wiggle it a little bit, and they move. Okay. Oh, and there, look at that. One just came out of our notch. So that's good. That means that they fit. I wasn't sure. I made this myself. Right there, I just watched one come on out. And then now, there's that space in there. So they shouldn't be able to glue down this top board anymore. Because that is a pain in the butt, if nothing else. Yeah, they're saying, what's this now? I've never seen this before. Now we do the same thing with this. Except, is this going to cover up our notch? Yeah, but if I put the little lip all the way forward, yuck, that is a gigantically gross looking spider right there.
Where?
I just flung them into the field. Well, there's a big enough gap in the front here where under where that notch is, they can maybe come and go. I don't know. I was just telling Devin I maybe should have painted this first, but whatever. So, that's that. Thanks for helping, buddy.
Yeah.
You know what you're doing around the beehive. Thanks for tuning on in.
Yeah.
See you guys next inspection.
Bye.
Bye.